Hey, what's up, everybody? I just want to show you guys some kind of cool updates with where we're at with StefanBrain, which is the agentic marketing solution that I am building for my CA Pro Mastermind members. So I was using GitHooked, which is owned by Alex Fedotov, who is a CA Pro member. And it's an ad spy tool. Somebody shared a big swipe file. So I was looking at some ads. I found like here's this Vumi supplements. I'd never seen them before, but I went over to here and yeah, okay, so say I have this ad here, right? Cool. Just found them through like a spy tool. Somebody links to them. I come across them scrolling on Meta. Like, well, what can I do with that, okay? First of all, let's take that. Let's hop over to StefanBrain. Let's say we want to sort of go through the rest of the funnel. Go to the CRO funnel review. Will that get that going? Then let's say we also want to make let's say come up with 10 static ads. Actually, yeah, let's go 5 static. 5 like actually, sorry, I think about how to do this. There's so many cool ways to do it. Let's go to the let's break down the video. Let's do that. Video analyzer, okay. And I'm gonna put this here. We'll break this down. And then while it's doing this stuff here, so it's gonna do like basically what's gonna do is go through this whole funnel. Let's say, okay, we click through and we do know that it goes to this page. We're like, all right, this page is okay. We want to throw like a listicle in front of it. It may have a listicle now, I don't know. So I have this one from StefanBrain. It's a men's offer, whatever. So let's say I go back to StefanBrain again. I'm gonna go over to build mode. I'm gonna go to clone. I'm gonna take StefanBrain as my reference site. I'm gonna take these people. Say that was my product. I can also type in a product, right? Let's say swipe alpha brain, but do this for a female audience with the brand color palette. I can't spell palette of Vumi, and we'll go ahead and join the clone page. Okay, so that's all chugging along. This is chugging along here, going through the steps. Maybe while we're at it, let's go ahead and just have so go ahead and create a top of funnel curiosity heavy static ad for this brand. Okay, boop, doop, and we'll go do the static ad generator for that one. Okay. All right, cool. So this is the CRO tool we just did, right? Went through the entire V funnel, meta ad to checkout, got some thoughts. There's a lot working here. There's some real friction points and copy issues. Meta ad is a UGC style video of a young woman trying to do me for the first time. She talks about having a really, really busy brain, loving to procrastinate, and how she was super duper productive all day. She mentioned ADHD and not liking medication, and so she's going to try it for a week. Here's what's working. UGC format's great. Blah, blah, blah. What's not working? There's no real hook. She starts with, okay, yesterday I tried Roomy for the first time ever. That's fine, but it doesn't stop the scroll. There's no paradox, no bold claim, no pattern interrupt for a feed ad. Those first 2-3 seconds are everything, and right now she's just announcing what she did. Apparently she mispronounces the brand's name. Let's see, sorry, it's still doing this. It started looking a while ago. Product page. Landing page is standard Shopify page. Blah, blah, blah. Big issues, almost no copy doing any selling. Someone coming from an ad about ADHD and procrastination lands on a page that says enhances mental clarity and supports memory. Massive drop of emotional temperature. The person who clicked was thinking finally something for my chaotic brain that isn't medication. What they get was enhances mental clarity and supports memory. Right? Below the fold. Some great stuff on this page, but nobody's going to see it. The reviews are gold. Biggest problems. Zero pane dimensionalization anywhere on the page. No mechanism. Add to page congruence is broken. Add to the page. Comparison chart is weak. So basically it breaks it down step by step. What I'd do in priority, overall assessment. And we can kind of go like, okay, great. Going back to the UGC ad, if you were going to rewrite it with a strong hook, what would the script be? So while it's doing that, we put this video in, right? And so it does here with this tool is it goes through it like scene by scene. And it basically gives you a transcript, but also gives you like notes on for every single scene, like what she's saying, what she's doing, all of that. Why is that helpful? Well, because if you were going to go try to like create your own UGC ads that were modeled off of this, you would know it has the text on screen, everything, right? Exactly what to do for your video ads. So that's also pretty helpful. And you could say, hey, create a new UGC ad script, model off this one, do whatever. Okay. Meanwhile, ooh, you know what? This is going to be tough because it's I show on mobile. Let's switch to mobile view. Okay, 5 reasons why Vumi Flow Fuel starts in the product. Vumi Flow Fuel instantly activates your focus, energy, and mood without complicating routines. Okay, we're missing an image here. No big deal. We can figure it out. This is a little bit heavy AI. Okay, this is a really dope little infographic I made here, right? Kind of graphic here. Bestseller, pulls the products. That's reviews. Still says alpha views here. So still pretty cool, pretty basic. But let's edit some stuff here. Normally I would do, sorry, it's hard when it's on this little mini mode. Text is pretty good there. I want to add an image, so I guess that's something we still need to work on because I'd probably do an image here. Let's see. Oh, I wonder if we'll do put an image for the, or put an image below the headline. We'll see if it does it. This was pretty good. Probably regenerate this one. Let's go with let's make this. Let's make the woman in this image look a bit more realistic, less like in a stylized AI photo. Same age, but it looks like a real photo. Okay, I can always pull a reference photo, might be helpful, but let's go and do that. This was pretty solid. I'd probably give the same thing there. This is pretty good. Honestly, you know what I could probably do? Let's do something. Place this image with. Oh, sorry, this stuff was reloading here. So see, it did a different image here. We had the doctor lady, so that one worked. I don't love that it doesn't have images here, but that's okay. That's why we're always replace alpha fuse with Vumi in this photo. All right, so it should fix that. Meanwhile, what I have going here? Oh yeah, that was sort of your first one. This one didn't do a great job because it didn't do the Vumi image, product image. So let's come here, type one of these, maybe it's fine. What was I? Again, here's a product image to use. I just downloaded it. I wonder if download it as a. Did not download. Save image or save as. I mean, I can literally take a screenshot of it. How annoying. So this one. Screenshot to use as inspiration. And we'll throw this in here. See how it does. So we had that. Let's go down to the see, I'm still saying alpha fuse. So there's some little things we're still dialing in here, I guess you would say. Regenerate, have it. Let's see if that works. Might not. Or actually, maybe I just need to reload it. What do we get here? Image asset not found. Great. So some little works in progress on this part, but it's still pretty cool. And by the way, sometimes it does work pretty magically. I wish I could expand it out to show you on mobile. But yeah, this part is still a little bit work in progress, but it's getting pretty close, pretty good. I did another one. I mean, the problem is like so many things I would use as examples are like from CA Pro members, and I don't want to use their stuff. But what's it here? Oh yeah, here's the different hooks, right? My brain has 47 tabs open at all times. Yesterday, something finally closed them. Yeah, that's a better. I mean, that's cool. The current hook is okay. Yesterday I tried Rumi for the first time. I still think why couldn't you just throw a nice little hook in for have to go to a nice little hook like that and then do this part, right? And then it's redoing this ad. And by the way, one more fun thing we could do is go to Angle Finder and say find 20 plus hooks for this brand. We'll go to Angle Finder here. So basically you can pick and toggle the amount of sources you want. YouTube, Reddit, research. Let's do a bunch of them. Strategy, you want direct? We can go direct. You can basically toggle between direct is gonna be like really directly related on topic. Translocate is gonna be from like unexpected things. They're both actually really dope, but we'll do that to start. See, it's much better, right? So cool, create variations, create 5. What do I want to do? Portrait, square, I mean, whatever. Let's do auto for now. And visuals, create 5 more variations. We'll start making those. We have our listicle, which is pretty good except for the stupid alpha infused thing, so I gotta like fix that part. But yeah, I mean, I guess we can wait to see the hooks getting generated here. I can pause. Fuck your productivity system. Oh, I should beat myself out. Bleep your productivity system. Waste razor energy. This is your brain nootropics. I'll pause and come back real quick. You can just see some of the angles that got created and ideas. Okay, sorry, I got distracted for a minute. So to do these, let's see. So this is a little bit weird. Let's see. Why scientists are using lasers to prove that less energy, more output isn't just possible, it's the future. Scientists just built a laser system that's 3,600 faster than Wi-Fi using half the energy. The secret precision over brute force. Turns out the same principle explains why chugging another coffee isn't helping your focus. Full fuel uses targeted nootropic compounds that work like those lasers, delivering clarity exactly where your brain needs it without wasting energy on jitters and crash. Pretty cool. Your brain on coffee is like Wi-Fi, broadcasting energy everywhere and wasting most of it. That's a pretty interesting concept right there, right? Half energy principle, how doing less but smarter gives busy brains thanks to the output. That may be based on the laser one. Let's see. The dark berry brain hack that outperformed caffeine in a clinical trial. It's about black currant. That's like a good hook. You can just tell right away. Why athletes are switching from pre-workout to this berry-based brain drink. Solid. Your morning coffee fights sleepiness, but it does nothing for this hidden cause of brain fog. This focus drink was tested in a clinical trial. Most nootropics never are. I'm assuming there was a clinical trial. I'd have to double check that. I'm not trying to advocate for anything incompliant or non-compliant. Neuroscientists found a brain blood flow compound hiding in an ordinary berry. This is kind of interesting. Stop adding more ingredients to your morning. Start arranging the ones you have. The hidden reason your nootropic stack feels like expensive water. What a 2026 physics breakthrough reveals about your morning brain fog. Pretty good hook. I mean, this is not bad for a certain segment. What if your lack of discipline is actually lack of brain fuel? Number 1 mineral deficiency behind your afternoon slump. That's pretty good. So anyway, you got 28 hours to have to do more. And then obviously, I could also be like, For all the angles and hooks above, please pick your top 5 and write 60-second UGC style ads for each one. There will be meta video ads. Right? So should be able to keep the context to do that using my old StefanBrain here. Let's see, do I have anything else cooking over here? Oh yeah, those are the other alternatives. That's kind of cool. I like that one. The spoon's kind of coming from nowhere. I don't know if I like the font on it, but they're not bad. This was this page here. What's cool with the editor, so I think I was trying to show earlier, obviously there's some issues. Like you could also you know, you can literally just like edit it like right there. You can also just like edit button colors in real time with this, by the way, like, so, you know, like the text color there, button, label, add to cart, blah, blah, blah. I should be able to get the button, that's where I can't do it for that one. Oh, you can change the whole color scheme. Interesting. Sorry, I keep adding stuff to this, but it's not quite fair. I clicked add to cart. I need to do that. While that reloads, by the way, a couple other things you can do is you can go publish it, right? Like, and then you can also do a custom subdomain and add that and configure it. And then there's like other integrations like analytics, parameter forwarding, Facebook Pixel, Tag Manager, Google Ads Tag, Google CTA event, custom Google event, stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Let's get back on this. There you go. There's this guy again. So like, but I can also just publish it to my own hosting if I want to. Like, I'll just publish it. Again, obviously, I had some stuff that we need to change. Some people, what some members are doing right now is they're also just taking the HTML and then giving it to their designers. Obviously, I'd like for it to just be, like, I'm annoyed there's no image here, so there's little things for us to fix. But, and this could probably be a little bit better, dialed in a little bit more here. And that doesn't really work right. So some little things we need to change here. But that's gonna be really dope when it's fully complete. And by the way, sometimes it does work like magic. It's just a little hit or miss right now. Top 5. I don't agree with all the hooks that shows, but that's fine. If it writes the script, should be really good. But the hint causes brain fog. Your morning coffee fights sleepiness, but does absolutely nothing for the hint causes your brain fog. Okay, this one's messed up when I learned it. I was assuming blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I don't know. Anyway, this video's getting longer than I thought, but just some updates on where we're at with StefanBrain. Still working on video. I actually apparently have some dev right now for like AI videos, UGC videos, stuff like that. Animated videos. We have 2 versions. We're doing it with Seedance and then with like an LTX. I'm happy to say both. Seedance is expensive, but like pretty good. Like it's solved with Seedance. It's just like $20 to $30 a video. And then LTX is a lot cheaper, but there's much more technical stuff you have to do to make the videos good, but also more cost effective. Oh yeah, last thing just to show off or flex on real quick. Actually, I'll just pull it up like, in case you're wondering about the usage of StefanBrain. It's pretty wild. It's like, it's been, these are just from CA Pro members, right? It's been from 355 million. We launched it February 9th. And I was like, wow, this is pretty cool, you know? And it's just like, and then today's wild because we had an API integration, which we're gonna have to kind of tamper down. But those are just updates. I don't know. You may or not find it interesting, but it's kind of cool to just see what we're doing. All right, bye.